Hurry, girls! Class is in session!
Wow!
This girl is rolling in Labubu money.
Whoa!
Maybe she'll like your handmade Labubu. Guess not. Subtlety isn't her strong suit, is it? I hope she realizes this means war! Wow, this Labubu fits right into the palm of your hand. Plus, it's filled up with some cool white slime. Uh-oh, looks like this guy could use a refill. Wow, these monster elves blow up so fast. Just be careful, you might just pop him. Ha ha, you're all wet. But a squishy Labubu does sound fun. Ugh, pre-chewed gum sure is nasty. But you gotta admit, it still is pretty stretchy. So let's take it all and roll it up into a ball. Now grab something clear to cover it up. Seems like a tight squeeze, but I think we're gonna make it. Next, we'll need something soft and fuzzy. I guess a fuzzy sock will have to do. And with a little customization, it's a new Labubu. A brand new Labubu stress ball, that is. By the looks of it, he's one tough cookie. Now that's what I call a Labubu dream house. And it's already completely furnished. Complete with a rubber ducky.
Wow!
You can have hours of fun with this. But don't worry, we can make our own fun. Complete with your very own toy house. This one's just gonna come pocket-sized. In fact, it's so fun-sized, it fits on your finger. There's all sorts of things your Labubu can do in here. And Thumbelina can come over for a play date. Wow! A Labubu dispenser! And it gives out jewelry. Oh, make sure to save a piece for me. Wait, that's not gold.
Wow!
It's chocolate. Even better. I repeat, make sure to save some for me. Probably should do something about those wrappers. Never knew gold grills could be so green. You know, recycling could work for you too. Especially when you find a Labubu stencil. It could be the base for our new candy dispenser. Add a nice face on things. And candy. Plenty of candy. Spin the wheel, and you get yourself a treat. You earned it. Wow, these little Labubus sure are durable. So why don't we put these little guys to the test? And we've got just the machine to do it. So, anyone in the mood for pasta?
Yay!
Oh, don't worry. We can rebuild them. This test got a failing grade. But it's got all the answers we need. Especially with such sturdy tape. Fold it up until you've got a nice cube. Now fill it up with some Labubu puree. seal it up, and put a nice new face on things. Together, they make a super Labubu! Pre-calc sure is hard. Let's play a game.
Wow!
Wow, you sure know how to push his buttons. When you're done, he starts up all over again. And with a light show too, I might add.
Wow!
Maybe we can find an old Pop-It toy. Talk about old, it's all worn out. Well, if we're gonna have to work with holes, we might as well start from scratch. Seems simple. Make it into a box. Now we need some cubes with springs. Soon, we'll have a Labubu for each color of the rainbow. Plus a big bad boo-boo to keep an eye on things.
Yeah!
And the best part is, there are no batteries required. Never a dull moment at the Labubu boutique. Here, these pants really bring out your fangs. Work that runway. The camera loves you. Don't hate her because she's Labubu beautiful. Do you want to put on a fashion show? We can always go out thrifting.
Oh?
But it's always classy to get things custom made.
Wow!
Starting with a handmade Labubu paper doll. These clothes have a magnetic touch. And we're not talking about static cling. Ooh, guess some accessories are included. Positively scrumptious. And the lollipop's cool too. Ooh, expecting a delivery, are we? This looks like a special Labubu. You can wear her, and she likes warm hugs.
Huh?
While you're here, why don't we brush your fur? And there's always time to accessorize. Oh, don't have one? Don't be jealous. But that might be easier said than done. Still, don't get mad. Get crafting. And your hairbands are just the thing to help. Add them to your finger and braid them like a pretzel. It's a bracelet with a whole lot of grip. Labubus of all sizes are welcome. Make one for each arm. What other merch have you got? Is that a pencil case? Complete with the latest Labubu stationery. Check it out. Ooh, 5 heads are better than 1. Of course, you can also write with it. But why not color with all the colors of the rainbow? Make it pink. Wait, no! Make it blue! But I've always been partial to green. You know, why don't we make a whole rainbow? But we're just getting started. You can draw all sorts of things. Can you guess what she's drawing?
Wow!
Notice a theme here? Okay, you are really quite the artist. But a true artist knows anything can become art. Toilet paper rolls? It just needs something extra fuzzy. Just wrap the rolls up in all this fuzz. All it it needs is a zipper, and you've got your own pencil case. Aw, she's grown accustomed to that face. And wow, it's already got pens inside it. It's kind of generic, but this should be an easy fix. Use it to draw a Labubu pen cover. Make a pair and add some stuffing inside. And it seems like we've reached the point. Try it out. You can make covers for all of your pens. Now let's take you all to your new home. Ah, nothing beats a fun trip to the toy store. It's a sale. You know what that means. Charge! Everything's flying off the shelves. Don't worry, Labubus. You'll find a home soon. Okay, maybe another discount's in order. Come on, people. Patches are really in style. Well, guess it's the hard knock life for them. But at least you all get to stay together. Look, maybe someone found you after all. And you're free. No better discount than that. Welcome to your new home, everybody. It's playtime. Try to catch the balloon. But be careful. Don't want it to pop. Oh no! Labubus don't like loud noises. I assume. I mean, they do have big ears. But don't worry. There's more balloons where that came from. In fact, why don't we go all in with a hot air balloon ride? Come on, guys. It's almost time for liftoff. There's plenty of room for all of you. Hold on to your seatbelts, everyone. Hey, Labubus! How's the weather up there? Of course, what goes up must come down. Labubus sure are playful, but they need to burn off some energy. Well then, we'll just have to make something for you. Just take some boxes and stack them up. We're gonna need to carve out some doors. Let's decorate with some fuzzy pom-poms. Because fuzzy is just what Labubus do.
Wow.
This will really help to put a nice face on things. Plus more stickers. And something soft to sit on. And colorful grass straight from the fanciest Easter baskets. You should all rest up before we play. Oh no! One of the Labubus is crying! I think some boo-boo's getting hungry. Why don't we make you a special? You've heard of boba tea? Well, now you can try La Boba! And look, it comes out in all sorts of flavors. Here, we've made enough for each of you. They make for the perfect midnight snack. Speaking of which, I think it's time for bed. Looks like the Labubus are wide awake. They've had their drinks, but now they want breakfast. But before we whip up some treats for you guys, we're gonna need to make something to cook them in. Labubus live for being cute, even if they have some bite. So why don't we make our new craft pretty and pink? And our new oven is almost ready. But now we're gonna need something to bake. Let's mix up the batter. It's a better batter. Trust us, this batter even uses better butter. Slide them into the oven. They're a perfect fit. Wait until these fritters turn golden brown. Come on, you know you want to dig your teeth into these.